In today's exam command word video, we're going to look at the word describe. Let's see what you need to know when you're asked to describe something in an exam question. When you're asked to describe something, it's wanting you to set out their characteristics. You do not need to give them reasons at this point. That's explaining. For example, if you were to be asked to describe an orange, you would talk about its color, texture, shape, or taste. You wouldn't explain the specific growing requirements or how they're different to an apple. Let's look at an example. Using Figure 9, describe the distribution of areas with existing licenses for fracking in the UK. First of all, follow the specific instruction, which is using Figure 9. Make sure you look carefully at any figure, diagram, piece of text that a question directs you towards. Look at any key that's on the figure, because this will help you understand the map and may be critical to the answering of the question. In this case, the map has both areas for areas under consideration and areas with existing licenses for fracking. The question you were asked only wants to know about areas with existing licenses, so you don't need to write any information about the areas under consideration. The word distribution refers to where things are located, so you need to describe where the existing licenses for fracking are found. You don't need to explain why. Just tell the examiner where they are. Why not have a go at the question? In the exam you'd have 4 lines, and the question is worth 2 marks. Spend no more than 2 minutes on your answer. Pause the video, and we'll look at the answers once you're done. Let's look at how the question would be marked. In your answer, you must describe the distribution shown, and you'll be credited for your observations based on the map. There'll be 1 mark for a basic description relating to the distribution shown on the map. For example, terms like widely distributed, with some large patches, large areas with licenses along eastern England, and smaller clusters scattered in many places. A second mark comes from developing these points using details from the map. For example, widely distributed with some large patches such as South London, South Wales, or North West England. Large areas with licenses along eastern England, between Hull and Nottingham. Smaller clusters scattered in many places, such as South East Kent, Bristol area, and Scottish borders. So, by specifically naming areas, you will gain that extra mark. However, you will gain no credit for describing the distribution of areas that are not licensed for fracking. Look out for more exam command word videos to help you prepare for your exams. And if this has been useful, why not give it a like? All the best for exam success in the future.